Are you looking forward to make iPhone speak caller name? Then it's pretty simple and a quick process. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, you need to head over to the settings of a device. Once you're in the settings page, scroll all the way down and move into apps. Inside apps, search for the application phone and then head over to it. Tons of different options will be visible to you. You can see the option where it says announce calls inside preferred language option. You need to click on it. Right now, the announce calls is set to never. If you want to make iPhone speak caller name, all you gotta do is set the settings to always. Once you have set it to always, now whenever you receive incoming calls, the phone itself will take the caller name, and without viewing the name, you will be able to know who called you. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.